In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Google Ads with PayPal. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once the page loads, sign into your Google Ads account. After logging in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so all menu options and billing settings are available. This helps avoid clicking into sections before the account data is ready. When you're on the overview page, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Billing. Inside the billing area, select Payment Methods. Here, you'll be able to review the payment methods that are already connected to your account. This is a good time to quickly check what's currently active so you know whether you're adding a new option or replacing an existing one. Next, click Add Payment Method. Wait for the payment setup window to open completely. In the available options, select Add Credit or Debit Card. Since Google Ads does not directly use PayPal as a payment method in this setup, what you'll do is enter the card details that are linked to your PayPal account. Carefully type in the card number, then enter the expiration date. After that, complete any other required payment fields shown on the screen. These fields may vary slightly depending on your region or account type, so just follow the prompts exactly as they appear. As you enter your information, take a moment to make sure everything matches your card details to reduce the chance of verification issues. Before submitting, review the payment information you entered. This is an important step because even a small typo can cause the card to be declined or delay activation. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Add to submit the payment method. Now wait while Google Ads verifies the payment details. This may only take a few moments. After verification is complete, check your payment methods list and confirm that the card linked to your PayPal account now appears there. If you want Google Ads to use this method for upcoming charges, set it as the primary payment method. Then verify that it shows as active and available for future billing. That final check is helpful because it confirms your campaigns can continue running without payment interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully added a PayPal-linked card to pay for Google Ads. Thanks for watching.